Taylor's got one boot on.
I'm getting the other one.
Slick. Not exactly slick, but... Give me the scissors.
You didn't bring them.
Alright, don't put them on now.
No, wait, I want to put them on. We got time.
We got all the time in the world.
I just realized we've been going too fast. You gotta stretch Christmas out.
You like those? You don't have to fold them down.
I like them because they got a little fur at the top.
Yeah, because you're really going to need those in Orlando.
But when I come home...
I'm telling you, there's going to be people wearing those in Orlando.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but I wouldn't take them.
Anna said
Some
that she
stinking
was down
Mexican
there
still.
and it was like 60 degrees and she was wearing like jeans and a t-shirt and everyone was wearing winter coats. All the Floridians. Yeah, they're weird. Their weather is all
I'm
messed
just gonna...
up.
Just one song.
Taylor,
Not-
do you
not
know who
an entire
Anthony
song,
Mongaluzzo is?